If you stay till the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make viral short form videos on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or any other platform from start to finish. First, let's talk about coming up with good content ideas. So there's 3 ways that we're gonna come up with good ideas. The first one is using wordtracker.com. When you get there, you're gonna type in the big desire of your audience. I'm gonna type in make money, that's their big desire. And it's gonna give us all these different things that people type that they're looking for online around this thing. Now, the second way I come up with content ideas is pretty unique to me, and I don't see a lot of people doing this or teaching this, but it's one of the best ways to get really viral videos. And what you're gonna do is it's called cross-verticalizing. So I'm gonna go to tiktok.com. So I'm gonna type in real estate right there. I'm gonna go to accounts, and I'm gonna try to find a few big accounts. So there's a good example right here. This one's got 700,000 followers, and they talk about real estate investing. And the last way I'm gonna show you for ideas is probably one if you're a brand new account and you're smaller than maybe 1,000 subscribers. This is the fastest way to grow, and that's jumping on current trends. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Google News, and you're gonna keep track every morning of Google News and what's happening in the world today. That's probably a good idea anyway.